That's right.
Hi, my preschool friends. It's Teacher Kathy. Hey, I'm here with my neighbor Tammy.
Hi there.
There's Tammy, and she has a big surprise to share with us. Remember I told you that my neighbor got bees? Well, it's Tammy, and I want to show you the beehive. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I don't know how to do it, so I'm just going to do it like this. There's Tammy.
Yeah.
What did you want to say to the friends?
I finally got my own hive of bees, and they're in a flow hive. On the bottom part that we can't see, that's where all the eggs are, and that's where they're going to hatch. And they're filling that up with honey right now for the babies. On top, that's going to be all of their storage of honey. And once they fill up this frame full of honey, then I can actually get some to eat. You can see them in the side. They go in and out of the front, so we won't go over there. But they go in and out all day long. They're going off to get the nectar and the pollen. They're coming back in, and they're going to start to fill in the frame over there.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And they're so happy. They're checking it out.
Look at, they're flying around. They're looking for flowers. Remember when we see bees at school? What do we always say when we see bees, friend? I love you, bees. That's right. So isn't it so nice to meet Tammy, a friend who got beehive in her backyard? See you soon, friends.